I got them boys. I got them bad boys right there. Blue crabs on deck. Look at the ducks. They all running back to the water. That must be old, baby. Come and throw my line out here. See what's going on. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. All the water. I told Bear I needed this. I needed this little break. This little time around some water, in some water. I needed this little break here. Feels good to be out here. Got to be mom and daddy. Cause got to be mama or daddy in the front and one in the back to watch them. Might be grandma over there. I told you one of them looked like it was old. Grandma or grandpa. Got the babies in the, oh yeah. Mama, daddy, grandma, and grandpa. There goes another big one. Yeah, that's grandpa back there. Or daddy one. Is way off watching. But definitely staying close. Grandma in the middle. Yeah, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Look at her. Beautiful. Relaxing, just peaceful, you know. But I definitely want to throw my line out here in this water though, see what's going on now. See what's going on down here. Let me see what they got over there. Okay, they got a little area where you can sit. Trash can right here. Yeah. Little sitting area over there. Just sit out here by the water. Yep. Sounds like a plan. Look, they coming back. They must want somebody to feed them. Yeah, look at her. Look at the guard coming back. Staying a distance away. Ain't it neat how nature is? They gonna protect them babies and their family. That's how we need to be as people. Now that I think about it, I think the bread in the cabinet, I wonder if they left the bread for the ducks. So they can come out and feed the ducks. Got some little lights out here. You can sit. Got some lights over there, patio area. Yeah, I wonder if that's what the grill is for the ducks. But it's beautiful. Did they get out? No, Nah, he's still out here. We got a guy over here. I'm through his line out here trying to see what he gonna catch. I don't know if he gonna get anything or not, but I bet it's something to get up around those boats though. I bet it's something to get up around those boats. There's something out there. It'd be nice if they had some lights out along it though at nighttime. You know I'm in the right place. What it say? Wear the damn bikini though. You know, represent for the big girls though. Did I pick the right room or what? Then this one say, wear the damn shorts. Just wear them. Just throw the motherfuckers on. Throw them on. Alright y'all, now me and baby, we over in Walmart for the first time in forever. I forgot to grab something that we need, right? So we forgot us some lotion. So we got us some lotion. Just grabbed us some quick little bottle of lotion, and now I'm going back here because we back here, you know, the marina in the back. So I want to go fishing tonight, and so I got my fishing pole in the trunk. That stayed in the trunk, but I don't have my my tackle and stuff. So I come to get me some worms and me some hooks, and I'm trying to convince Bae to go fish with me. So we're gonna see how that go. But I know that I'm going. So let me go ahead and grab what I'm gonna need. I think I just walked right on past the hooks, so I think I walked past them. Alright, wait, I gotta stop though, cause I ain't got no time on here, y'all, so I gotta stop. I told Bae he going fish with me. Look at him, he got his fish. Look at him, he look like he ready, don't he? We got our little stuff here. We need, I don't know what all, child. Just grab this right here. Hopefully it just do something. We got us some number 12 hooks for some little fish. We got us some number 2 hooks, child. We got us some number 7 split shots. Some number 4 split shots. We got us some cords. Got some gloves, cause they scared of the fish. We got us some worms here. We got us the thing to get the hook out the mouth. We got us a knife so we can, and we got us some of these right here because they white and they might do something out there. And then we got us a little tackle box. We're gonna put all our stuff in, and we going fishing, and he ready. Oh, and then I grabbed another fishing pole right here too, right there, little Zebco.